Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about atomic bonding. Yeah, atomic bonding. When you hear the term atomic bonding, what comes to your mind? Bonding. I bring this, and I join together. That's what we call bonding. So when we think about bonding in chemistry, it's like the chemical combination of what? Atoms. Chemical combination of what? Different elements form what? A compound. Get it right. The chemical combination of what? Of atoms, or the chemical combination of what? Different elements to form what? A compound. So, have you asked yourself one day, why do atoms need to combine? They could just like stay on their own. I'll answer that. Atoms need to combine because they need to attain what? Stability. Have an octet what? Electron around the shell. Number one, they have to combine because they need to attain what? Stability. Having an octet what? Configuration, or a duplet configuration. Duplet is for hydrogen and helium, while octet is for what? Other atoms. Yeah. So we have different types of bonding in chemistry. There are different ways in which different atoms and elements combine together to form what? Compound. So number one, we have what? The electrovalent bond. We have the covalent bond. We have the dative bond. But the dative bond is also called what? The coordinate covalent bond. So we'll start with the electrovalent bond. Yeah. We call this electrovalent, or we call this what? Ionic what? Bond. So electrovalent bond now is type of bonding that occurs between what? Two atoms, a metal and a non-metal. This involves what? Donating of electron. This is how it goes. If I have a metal, say sodium, I have another chlorine. Guys, sodium has how many electrons? It has what? 11 electrons. While chlorine has what? 17. And we have what? 2, 8, what? 1 as a configuration of this. This is K, L, M. And for chlorine we have what? 2, 8, and what? 7. The K, L, and what? The M. Electrovalent bond involves the type of bond that occurs when what? A metal donates an electron to a non-metal to form what? A compound. Stability is attained when what? A metal donates electron to a non-metal to what? Attain stability. So now we have sodium, we have what? Chlorine. Sodium has 11 electrons, while chlorine has what? 17 electrons. Chlorine now in this particular state is in its neutral state, so the number of proton and electron is what? The same. Get me right? In a neutral state of a particular atom, the number of proton and number of electron are always what? The same. So to attain stability, we have what? Looking at sodium, we have 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in the L shell, and 1 electron in what? In the M shell. But then we should know that, remember, the maximum number of electrons that should be in the M shell is what? Is 8, not 1. Looking at chlorine also, we have what? 2 in the K shell, 8 in the L, and what? 7 in the what? In the M. So that is to say, this sodium leaves, and chlorine has what? 7 electrons in the what? In the M shell. Sodium needs what? It needs 7 more electrons to be stable, and what? Chlorine needs 1 more electron to be stable. So simple, electrovalent bond will occur in this particular type of atom. So this sodium, we donate 1 electron to the chlorine to have what? 2 and 8 as a complete octet structure, and then we have chlorine 2, 8, 8, a complete octet structure. This is an example of what? Ionic bonding. Bonding that involves the donating of electron from a metal to a non-metal. Get it? So now we have covalent bonding. When we say covalent bonding, it involves what? In this electrovalent, we said was donating. Metal gives us what? Non-metal. But for what? Covalent, we have what? Sharing. When 2 non-metals form a bond, they form the bond by what? By sharing electron. I give, you give, and then we share. Example of covalent bonding now is what? Chlorine molecule. Having a molecule of chlorine like this, Cl to Cl. If these 2 molecules want to combine, chlorine, one of the chlorine molecules donates 1 electron, the other one donates 1 electron to form what? A bond, a complete octet structure. That's how covalent bond occurs. However, dative bond, which we also call what? Coordinate covalent bond, is a different type of bond. Not that different per se, but it also involves sharing of electron. But only one of the participating atoms will donate the electron for both to share. This is it. If you have an example like ammonium, NH4 positive. For this ammonium to form bond, ammonia and hydrogen will combine together. So, but then these two will not what? Donate electron for each other. However, one of the participating atoms will donate electron for